everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you do not know me, you are crazy. I am TanglesInTiaras on YouTube. Nice to meet ya. So today I have something pretty special. I decided to give in. I was watching this ad on Instagram for like the millionth time about MAKIAGE, and I thought, you know what, I've seen this so many times and I need content. I might as well just get it. So I have today the foundation and the concealer. Now, I feel like the shades are probably gonna be off because I was too lazy to look in the mirror to pick out my shade. So I kind of just went, eh. I just clicked on things I thought. So if it's wrong, it's literally my fault, not the brand's. Let's get into this video. So here is the Flawless Base Foundation. This is not my shade. Oh my god. The box is cute though. It says, sorry, I don't speak low maintenance. Yeah, I totally picked the wrong shade for me. I can already tell. So good job, Mariah. You're amazing at picking foundation shades, you know, like, gosh. Packaging is very, very nice and sleek. I will say something I have noticed is, you see that right there? That is foundation on my bottle. It's fine, but then it's kind of like bumps it down for me like a little bit because like I don't usually get foundation with foundation on the bottle until I use it. So that's just an observation. I'm going to first put some primer on. So I'm going to use the Professional Pore Primer by Benefit. Now that we have our primer on, it is time to use our new foundation. It comes in a little pump. We're gonna pump a little bit on our hands. There we go. So this is kind of orangey for me, I think. So I'm gonna look crazy today because I have to go to the store and get some woman supplies. Oh my god. What color did I think? This is gonna look terrible. Definitely not my shade. So it asks you if you like full coverage or like medium coverage or light coverage. I wrote medium full. Wow, this looks terrible. Trevor is gonna laugh at me. This is when you really wanna make sure you really blend your foundation. Next, I'm gonna try their concealer. I really like the packaging for this. Wow, you can really see my hairline. I really need to blend that out a little better. This reminds me of like in middle school or in high school when girls would wear foundation and they'd look orange. And then like you'd look at their neck and it'd be a totally different color. This concealer's alright. It's not the best concealer, but not the worst. Okay. I do like that concealer, like under the eyes. It's just not my favorite for like on spots. So there's the foundation and the concealer on my face. Other than the terrible color match, which was totally my fault. So far, I really like them. Now I'm going to finish my makeup and I'll be right back. I feel totally ridiculous because look how dark I am compared to my arms. So today I'm gonna be going to the store and then we're probably gonna go to the gym, and I never work out in makeup. So we'll see how that goes, and I'll be checking in with you throughout the night and we'll see just how well this stuff stays on. So I changed into the outfit I will be wearing to the store. What do you think of my foundation match?
Looks like it matches.
In the lighting. Okay, Look at my arms. Look at my face.
I didn't realize you were related to Donald Trump.
So this is the foundation in natural lighting. It doesn't look terrible. I do see like kind of on my neck and stuff where I applied it not as great as I could have. Anyway, we were just talking about it and I realized this is my natural skin tone. I just never go outside. So that is why I chose such a dark color, because that is me. Okay, it's currently 5:30, so it's been about an hour, so I wanted to show you guys the foundation so far. We just came back from Kroger. Actually, we just got out of Kroger. So it's already starting to look a lot more natural, like sinking into the skin. And it looks pretty much like my skin, actually. Does it look makeup-y at all?
Not really.
So yeah, so far I really like the wear of this. I'm not getting super oily or anything, so I'll check in with you guys later. Okay, you guys, so it is the end of my day, and I just came back from the gym. I'm not sweaty anymore because I've been sitting on the couch. But I wanted to show you guys how this foundation is holding up. So you can see it's pretty much gone on my chin. There's no foundation on my chin. No foundation under my eyes on this one side. No foundation here. Really patchy on top. And it looks like under my nose is pretty much gone too. So it didn't really hold up very well for a workout. I wasn't really expecting too much from that just because it's foundation. I don't know, I don't usually work out with foundation on, so I don't know the norm for that. But you can see it's like really patchy. This is like the only benefit really of having foundation that totally doesn't match, you can really tell. I think this is a good foundation for like a normal day, but if you're gonna do anything where you're gonna sweat a lot, or if it's just like really hot outside, probably not the best foundation. So I'm kind of upset about that because it was hyped so much. I feel like you could get a better foundation from the drugstore for way cheaper. I'm sending back my foundation. I'd rather stick with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Frodo, you just burped. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and like this video and leave a comment down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. So, bye guys.
I never cared much for diamonds and pearls, 'cause honestly, honey, they just cost money. Give me